Hello friends, welcome to our channel, and today we are going to talk about Bank of Baroda. In this video we are going to cover its financial, the latest news updates. Along with that we are going to cover chart analysis where we'll talk about its support and target. So please watch this video till the end because we are going to go through all the key information which are very important for the shareholders. So Bank of Baroda is a public bank with a market capital of 45,301 crore. The latest closing is at 87.60. If you look at the analyst rating, almost 31 analysts are saying that you can buy this stock at this price because this is not in an overbought zone, and if you can hold this stock for 1 year, it can show you the high levels of 173. If you look at the financial years, the industry average revenue growth is 7.63, and if you look at the Bank of Baroda, this is 11.44%, which is really good for Bank of Baroda. If you look at the last 5 years, the market share has increased from 7.84% to 9.33%, which is good for the company. Now, if we look at the total revenue in 2018, the total revenue was 54,048 crore, which has increased to 89,001 crore. Okay, EBITDA was in negative 1,204.99 crore. Now this is turned to positive, and with a really good amount, that is 7,730 crore. If you look at the net income, it was again negative 1,887 crore, which is turned to positive 1,547 crore. The earning per share was in negative 7.58, which is now in positive 3.15. So what do we see is, like, year on year basis, the total revenue, EBITDA, earning per share, net income, everything has come really positive. So the Bank of Baroda, mostly all the PSU bank, because of the bad loan, the stock was going only a downside, but now we can see over a few years the situation is changing, the bank financials are changing, and we are seeing a really good sustained growth in the financial from 2018 till now, and hope this improvement will continue in near term also. Now, if we look at the shareholding pattern, 63.97% are the promoter holding, and that is with the central government. Okay, now the DIs are holding 5.14%, FII holding 7.3%, and retail investor are 14% over here. Now, if you look at the news on 27th of December, there is a news saying this PSU lender could replace RBL Bank in Nifty Bank Index. As we know, on quarterly or yearly basis, Bank Nifty, Nifty Bank are reviewed by the team. So if any stock is not performing well, then that particular stock is taken out from Nifty Bank or Nifty, and that is replaced with the another one which is performing good. So for Bank of Baroda, it's a really good news because Bank of Baroda is going in Bank Nifty. This news is yet to be confirmed, but still there are more chances that Bank of Baroda will be in Nifty Bank very soon. And we know, in the history we have seen, whenever we get the confirmation that any certain stock is going in Nifty or Bank Nifty, right after that we see a really good sharp rally in that particular stock. So hopefully once we get this confirmation, then we can see a Bank of Baroda in the uptrend. Okay, the next news is on 17th of December. It says Center considering changes in the law to reduce stake in PSU Bank to 26%. See, already we have seen the stake over here are 63.97, which are really very huge stake for central government to hold on to this. Now, in the proposal, if cleared by Narendra Modi government, could prove to be significant in simplifying the privatization of state-run lender. As we know, there are so many PSU bank where we are seeing privatization or disinvestment by the governments. So over here, if PSU bank stake are being reduced, what will happen? That will be a really good news. The reason, if the state are being reduced, there will be a chance for the foreign investor that they don't need any any further parliament approval to purchase a bigger stake in the PSU bank. So this way foreign investor can come and directly purchase this stake. Along with that, even DII and DII also, or any other institute who wants to buy this stock in a bigger chunk, they can straightforward come ahead and they can buy it. So if some entities like FII, DII are coming in, participating in this purchasing, definitely they will be having some percentage in the management, and that way the management and financial, we can expect it will improve, and slowly we can see everything in the quarterly result. And anyway, the quarterly results and the net profit and consolidated profit is also increasing for Bank of Baroda, which is a good sign for the bank to start its turnaround time, to start its bull rally towards the next target, which will check in our chart analysis. So this is a way, it's a good news. Now the budgets are coming on first week of February. Budget will be declared. So on 13th of December, there is a news saying government unlikely to announce capital infusion for PSU Bank in budget 22-23. What they are saying, to augment their resources, bank would be encouraged to raise fund from market and also by selling their non-core assets. So this way, what they are saying, last year we have seen already government has infused so much funding on all the PSU banks. So this time they are not going to do all this funding to this PSU bank, and they are going to encourage to raise the fund from the market, or they can sell their non-core asset over here. Now this is not just one thing, there are other thing also. Government don't want to infuse funding in the PSU bank. The reason is the PSB surged to 14,000 crore in the first quarter, which further rose to 17,132 crore in the second quarter ended with September 2021. So here what do we see? The net profit is increasing, and the combined profit of the first half of the current fiscal is close to the total profit earned in the entire previously financial year. Along with that, the capital fund to the tune of 58,697 crore, the highest amount mobilized in the fiscal. If you look at the CAR, that is also increased to 14.3% at this end of the June, and along with that, the non-performing asset bank have done provision up to 100%, sources said, adding that recovery from those accounts will straight away form part of the bottom line. So this way, here we are seeing there are so many things that has been improving. Even there are non-NPA, that is also the NPA declines also showing from 7,39,541 crore. Now it is reduced to 6,78,317 crore. So see, so many things are happening over here. The public sector banks are showing improvement over there. That is the reason the government don't feel like they need to infuse more capital over here, because these banks are doing good. So that's the way in this budget we won't be needing actually any budget from the government. The next one is like there are some brokerage agencies, they are very bullish on this sector, where they have given 3 PSU bank in the spotlight. This and they are bullish on Bank of Baroda, where they are saying the target of 90 to 95 with a stop loss of 77 can be achieved, because the Bank of Baroda stock is given a breakout above the 200 DMA, and the support is also tested multiple times, that is of 77. The next news where there is another news saying on 28 December 5 banking stock that are good buys for 2022. Okay, so the first bank is Bank of Baroda. Here Motilal Oswal, who is India's leading research based brokerage house, they are bullish on this, and they are giving a target of 130, which is a 64% of upside from this level. And they are saying like, if you are considering PSU banking sector, then Bank of Baroda is a better place to report a good earning. So all these good things for Bank of Baroda. If you look at the chart, so this is a Nifty bank chart. So here Nifty bank chart, what do we see? This is the resistance trend line, and this has given a breakout from the resistance trend line, and this is a sustained breakout. So since last 5 to 6 days we are seeing continuous upward rally. It may happen like this, it may come down, but now the bank Nifty is trending about 200 moving average, 20 moving average and 50 moving average. So this is the perfect spot where we are looking for the upside rally before the budget, and the budgets are coming. So mostly it happens like before the budget market gives a good rally, so we are expecting that rally which may take it further to 37 to 38,700. Okay, next is a this is a PSU bank. So here in the PSU bank also, what do we see? Here is the resistance trend line over here. Every time it used to hit, there was a fall over here. This resistance trend line has been tested multiple times, and finally in the month of October it has given a breakout. Now this breakout has been retested over here, and now this is the resistance trend line, and the Nifty PSU Bank Index is standing over here. So from here we can see a good rally, and this Nifty PSU Bank Index can again show the target of 3000 over here. And if Nifty PSU Bank is showing a upward trend, definitely all the bank sector in the which comes under PSU Bank can show this trend. So similarly, Bank of Baroda over here, what do we see? This is okay. Here I'll show you one chart pattern. This is the resistance trend line which was faced by Bank of Baroda. So every time it was coming near 100 level, there was a selling pressure or profit booking. Every time it was touching it, it was falling down. Again it came and it fell down, and again it came and it fell down. But what's happening here? See, this is a kind of cup and handle pattern. So this has formed a cup over here, and this is a formation of handle. Okay, so this is a cup and handle pattern. Here if you look at this, here kind of it gave a breakout, but again it came down, but here is a support trend line over here. So it took a support from here, and now it has given a good closing, that is with a green candle. This is on a weekly chart. We are looking at the weekly chart over here. Okay, so on a weekly chart, what we see is a kind of cup and handle pattern, a little bit breakout, but again came down. Check the support. So now if we consider the support of this 78, so this is a 78 support which has been tested multiple time over here. So we can see this is a kind of bottom line over here. So bottom line has formed. So if you want to invest in this stock, you can keep a stop loss of around 78, and you still have a good chances that you can invest in this stock. If it comes down around 80 level, 82 82 level, then you can buy this stock, and again you can expect a next target of immediate target of 100, because as you see there is a hurdle of around 100 over here. It may sustain there or it may come down, but this is the immediate target, and if you see a big breakout over here, then the next target levels can be seen as 132, because there is a resistance over here. If this if the stock stays over here, then the third target of 156, this is a long term target over here. But cup and handle, this is a weekly cup and handle pattern, and if this gives a breakout, according to this, the height of the cup would be the target of the cup and handle pattern. So this height is exactly, it comes near around 156. So on a weekly chart, if you are keeping this stock in your long term portfolio, and the breakout, the main thing is like this cup and handle breakout should sustain. If it sustain above 100, then you can easily see the target of 156. But for a short time we can go for a target of 100 with keeping a stop loss of 78. So I hope you like this video, and if you like it, please like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to hit the bell icon so you will get a notification for all the upcoming videos. Thank you.